Beautician. A beautician is a person who helps people look and feel beautiful. They provide many different beauty treatments, including hair care, skin care, nail care, and makeup. Beauticians work in salons, spas, and sometimes in their clients' homes. Their job is to help clients feel confident and happy with their appearance. One of the main tasks of a beautician is hair care. Many beauticians are trained to cut, color, and style hair. They can give a simple haircut or create a complex hairstyle for a special occasion. When a customer comes in for a haircut, the beautician first listens to what the customer wants. Then, they use their skills to cut or style the hair in the desired way. They may use scissors, razors, and clippers for cutting and tools like curling irons and straighteners for styling. Beauticians also offer hair treatments such as deep conditioning, hair coloring, and perming. Some clients come to beauticians to change the color of their hair or to get highlights. Beauticians must be careful when applying chemicals to the hair, as it can be damaging if done incorrectly. They often consult with the customer about which colors or treatments will work best with their hair type and style. In addition to hair, beauticians also take care of clients' skin. Skin care is a big part of the job. Many clients visit a beautician for facials, which help to clean, exfoliate, and moisturize the skin. Facials can help improve the texture and appearance of the skin and can be relaxing for the client. Beauticians also offer services like waxing, where they remove unwanted hair from different parts of the body. Waxing requires skill and practice to do safely and without causing too much discomfort. Beauticians may also offer makeup services. Some people hire beauticians to do their makeup for special events, such as weddings or parties. A good beautician knows how to apply makeup in a way that suits the client's face shape and skin tone. They use a variety of products like foundation, lipstick, eyeshadow, and mascara to create the desired look. Some beauticians also teach clients how to apply makeup themselves, offering tips and advice for different occasions. Nail care is another important part of a beautician's job. Many beauticians are trained to provide manicures and pedicures. A manicure involves shaping and polishing the nails, while a pedicure does the same for the toenails. Beauticians also take care of the skin around the nails, making sure it is healthy and smooth. Some clients like to have nail art, where the beautician paints designs or adds decorations to the nails. This requires a steady hand and attention to detail. Customer service is a big part of being a beautician. Beauticians must make their clients feel welcome and comfortable. Many clients visit salons to relax and take care of themselves, so it's important for the beautician to create a calm and friendly atmosphere. Listening to the client is very important in this job. Beauticians need to understand what the client wants and provide the best service possible. A good beautician will also offer advice on how to take care of hair, skin, or nails at home. Building relationships with clients is key to success as a beautician. Many clients return to the same beautician regularly for haircuts, facials, or other treatments. Over time, the beautician may get to know their clients' preferences and can suggest new styles or treatments that suit them. Good communication and a friendly attitude help build trust between the beautician and the client. To become a beautician, training is necessary. Most beauticians go to beauty school to learn about hair, skin, nails, and makeup. In beauty school, students learn the techniques needed to perform different beauty treatments. They also learn about safety and hygiene, which are very important in this job. Beauticians must make sure their tools and workspaces are clean to prevent infections or other issues. In many places, beauticians need a license to work, which means they must pass an exam after completing their training. Beauticians often continue to learn throughout their careers. Fashion and beauty trends are always changing, and clients may ask for the latest styles or treatments. A good beautician stays up to date with new products and techniques by attending workshops, reading beauty magazines, or taking additional courses. This helps them offer the best services to their clients and stay competitive in the beauty industry. Running a salon or beauty business requires more than just beauty skills. Beauticians who own their own salons must manage the business side of things. This includes scheduling appointments, ordering supplies, and keeping track of payments. It also involves marketing their services to attract new clients. Many beauticians use social media to showcase their work and promote special offers. Working as a beautician can be both rewarding and challenging. On the positive side, beauticians get to be creative and help people feel good about themselves. They have the opportunity to meet new people and build lasting relationships with clients. Many beauticians enjoy the social aspect of the job, as well as the chance to make a positive difference in someone's day. However, the job can also be physically demanding. Beauticians spend long hours on their feet, and they often work with their hands, which can lead to fatigue or strain. They may also need to work evenings or weekends to accommodate their client schedules. Despite these challenges, many beauticians find the job fulfilling because they get to use their skills to make people look and feel their best. In conclusion, the job of a beautician is a mix of creativity, skill, and customer service. Beauticians help their clients with hair care, skin care, nail care, and makeup, offering treatments that make them look and feel great. They must be good listeners, stay up to date with beauty trends, and create a welcoming environment for their clients. With the right training and a passion for beauty, a beautician can have a successful and rewarding career.